Hi, I'm Martin Gettings. I'm reporting from CommunicAsia in Singapore. I'm here with Serge Van Herck. Newtec have just delivered a panel discussion with several satellite operators, service providers, discussing the new DVB standard. Serge, you also gave a talk at Casbar looking at the next 5 years. Do you see these DVB standards as being, part of the next 5 years and what's coming up in the satellite industry?
Yeah, well, Martin, I think that everybody is agreeing that our industry has to further reduce cost. We have been talking about reducing cost of launches, reducing cost of satellites, but even more important, I think indeed that reducing cost of transmission and making it more efficient will help our industry further. So bringing in the new standards with DVB-S2 extensions is definitely going to help our industry to have more traffic at a lower cost being performed in the next years.
So how much can it bring down costs?
Well, typically we see now cases up to 37%. Yeah. We even see cases where it can be much more, but let's indeed say that between 20 and 37%, that is what with the new standard we will easily achieve. So that has really a big impact on the service providers to lower down the cost to their customers.
So lots of different industry opinions here today. Any you'd like to pull out and make examples of?
Well, I think one of the interesting remarks I heard is that one of the CEOs of the satellite operators in the region said, well, I'd like to see our industry reduce costs. I would like to be able to sell transponders instead of $1 million a year at $10,000 a year. So when that happens, indeed, we'll see that the level of innovation that we need also on the satellite is where it should be.
And why standardization at all?
Well, standardization helps our industry because it will help to reduce the cost of the building blocks that we use for different types of services. So we are confident that with the new standard, building blocks like chipsets, to name one of the important building blocks, will further drive down the cost and will further increase the bits per hertz that we can transmit.
Great, well thanks for talking to me today.
You're welcome, Martin. Have a nice day.